It's really cold out today. It's dropped about 30 degrees. A little bit of snow, some rain earlier. So I decided to work in the wood shop. And okay, so here's a little update. Here are the axes, or hatchets, hatchets ready to go. I did end up giving this one a second coat. That wood just was really dried out. Looks really good. Looks much healthier now. And this one was in good shape before, but now it looks even better. And this one just needed a little, since I was doing the others, give it a coat. Okay, so I had done a video about this stacked leg design. I initially was going to do like a little end table, but I decided to break it, only do half at a time. And just flipped it over and started doing one board at a time, kind of centering them, giving them a little twist. And you can see this is the last one. So I envision this going on in the center of a table and then like a stone piece on top of here. That's what I was thinking. So kind of give you some more dimension to a table setting. Or let's say you have an hors d'oeuvre area, and I think that stone on top would look really cool, you know, just like one stone, rough edges, natural edges, driftwood edges around. I think it would look really cool. And if not, the wood itself. This is a butternut. I think we have all butternut in this one. And this piece of butternut had started to rot, so you get this spaltic effect, which is really cool. So that'll look really nice oiled. And I did two of them. Instead of doing the end table, I did two. And this one has some black walnut in it, so you have white walnut and black walnut. And then I was looking at the stone pieces I had, and I had these, I was thinking of one piece on top, but I had these two pieces with a straight edge. So I put them together on top, and they're just about the right size. I mean, the wood comes over to here on this one, and over to here on this one. So most of it, you know, it stays there by itself. And then I had this other one. I thought, well, that would be kind of cool to put that in the center. And I was just playing around with this one, but I think that looks pretty cool. That would, I mean, imagine that in the center of a table or hors d'oeuvre area. I mean, granted, you'd have to be careful. You don't want anybody putting a whole bunch of weight here, you know, to tip it over. So I guess that could be an issue, but, you know, if everybody's careful, it's kind of cool. They're not attached or anything. It would get very heavy, but so it's just a cool idea. I'm not sure if it's something people would want or use, or maybe see if Amy wants to put it in the center of our table. I don't know, but just a cool concept. So I think next I'm going to oil them. And then the other thing I thought about working on was I had made these panels for on top of the foosball table. I had made 3, but I really need 4. So I think I'm gonna, I had cut some other pieces right here. So I'm thinking about getting them out and making the 4th one. So one top will be complete. And then actually I would like to make another set for in the bungalow. Okay, so just odd projects today. And let's see what other creative ideas we come up with.